Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to YK Recreation. In today's video I will be checking over the pipes to see where this boost leak is coming from. What happened was when I was driving I heard a little gush of air, and then I didn't really think much of it because the car was still making boost. It's still making boost at the moment, but it's not like the full boost, like you don't get that kick. So because I don't have a smoke tester yet, they're about 140 odd quid. I thought, let me just see if I can save a bit by just having a look over all the clips, all the pipes, to see if we can find the leak without getting the tester. So yeah, let's head over to the car now and check this together. Right guys, before we do start checking this over, I'd just like to tell you, if you are new to the channel, we have two version 1 Subaru Imprezas. One's a red one, one's a blue one. I do have more videos working on this one and the other one. Just check out the playlist for the blue Subaru. And yeah, if you are new and you do enjoy watching these sort of videos, please subscribe so it will help us on our journey. Okay, so first things first, let's check over these little pipes. What I'm doing is I'm just checking this pipe now that's going into the cabin to make sure that's okay, because what happens is with these well, this one's not that flimsy, it's quite strong, this one. What happens is they get like a little kink in them like that somewhere, and that traps boost. Let's check Jubilee clips. So what happens is the boost can seep through the actual clips. I still don't even know what turbo this is, you know. It's all mucky and gunky. No, still don't know what turbo it is. Can't see it. It doesn't look like a VF, because usually VFs have a plate here. So it's definitely not a VF. It does. I don't know what turbo that is. I hope it's not Chinese one. So this is the tester here, vacuum tester. Right, and this is the vacuum thing. So yeah, let's see how this works. This is my first time using this as well. Oh, so this sucks, it doesn't blow. It's like a minus thing. This sucks. Look who's crawled out of bed early in the morning. Not early, it's about 11 o'clock now. This is a sucker, not a blower. So
where's the photo?
So check boost pipes and stuff.
Why do they suck?
New to all these tools, but it's fascinating. So let's see how it works. Pop that in there. So that's holding pressure. Put a bit more in it. Yeah, so that's holding pressure. So that one's fine. I personally think it's one of these big intercooler pipes, but since I'm here testing stuff, I might as well test a few of them. Hey, hold on. It's got a plug chopped here. That's strange. That's this boost unit usually comes on the version 5 Subarus. So why is that even on here? Unless he's, that's what I'm saying. I don't even, this Subaru is strange, man. Like, I've been asking people about this idle control valve, And usually version 1 to 3, the pipe B's down, but this pipe's up, so it might have a version 4 inlet on it. That's what I'm saying. This car is different. It's got loads of different Subaru. It's like Frankenstein basically. It's got different body, different heads. Welcome to the Frankenstein mobile. Okay. So what else can happen sometimes is the actual, dump valve. That can leak as well. It actually leaks from the actual dump valve. That can be a problem as well. Right. I need another one of these if anyone's got one. It's the oil pressure sensor, but it's the one with just one live. It's got some earth strapped on the side and then just one live to it if anybody's got one. And then it's got the original one in it as well, so it works inside the car and it gives you pressure. So if that one fails, it's still got the original one that's supposed to be fitted to the car. It looks very tight. This one, this one was a little bit loose. Because it's a dodgy one. Right. So do you think that could be the issue? This one's not tightening. See, look, look, seen it there?
Yeah, gone.
It's gone, in it. Threads are gone. It's mess. That's separate. Okay. Goes in. Oh, it goes in like that, doesn't it?
Slots into it, yeah.
That's sealed. No. It's a lot better, that one. Oh, you. Are you hungry? Yeah? Or do you just want to watch us work? Which one is it? Which one is it? And tighten it up. It's pretty clean, this car under here. Is it loose? Nah, it's tight. That is tight. What about this one? Oh, this one was slightly loose. You can see that it was slightly loose. That's done a few turns. What happens is sometimes the actual pipe can rip as well. The actual pipe itself can get a rip in it. That's where the smoke detector comes in handy. Right. They look okay. Let's do the test. Right, okay. That one's tight. That one's tight. Yeah, they're tight. You don't want to over tighten them because they can snap. But yeah, tight. What in the cooler is this? It says C. Oh, hold on. Is that a C? I don't know what shape that is. Yeah, C T P CTP. Right. If any of you guys know anything about these CPT, let me know. Looks good lowered like that. I can hear something. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can hear that. What's that coming? Oh, it's a Honda. It's a Honda. It's a very nice Honda. Right, my apprentice is here. Bloody hell, that is loud, man. That's too loud, that. Very loud. Come on, I'll show you what we've been doing. So this is my apprentice, people.
Oh, mechanic fully qualified, man.
Fully qualified mechanic.
Bro, I've just wore my slick glove, my slick jacket, man.
You're supposed to wear dirty clothes, bro. You look at me, you're gonna have to go under the car now. I've jacked it up, ready for you.
You ready, man?
Are you ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you put this back for me, please? Shall I tell you where it goes?
Yeah, go on, tell me where it goes.
I'll tell you where it goes, yeah. So you can see this pipe here?
Wait, it's dressing, which way does it go?
It goes this way. So that has to go over there somehow and clip in there.
There you go, bro. Done.
Push it back a little bit so the clip goes behind it. You know this
A bit of a
thing
tricky,
here?
that's a bit of a tricky.
Yeah, you have to like, it was a bit
Does it have to
funny
go
getting
underneath?
out. Behind it, yeah, it needs to go behind it. I don't know why he's even got that. Probably so it doesn't slip down in it.
Listen, can you make a smaller one? Fucking hell.
No, that come out of it.
There you go.
There you go. That's your first
passed,
job
bro.
you've
Told you,
done on
bro.
the car, bro.
Bro, mechanic fully qualified. You stressing? So,
See what I mean? It's good.
is it on? The camera on? Is it on?
Yeah.
So when are we doing the head? Taking it off now or what? Take it off.
The head gasket. Do you even know how many head gaskets this car's got?
Oh, we'll talk about that later.
They have two. They have one on this side, look. So you know, like normally cars, they have like one head just on top.
Yeah.
Because these are flat 4. You've got one head there. So all that big chunk there, that's one head. And all this chunk here is one head. So you got 2 rocker cover gaskets as well.
So if they leak.
You got
It's
both
up,
sides.
yeah.
You got one side and that side to work on. Okay. So what we need to do next is, I'm not too happy about
But
these
listen,
clips here. Yeah.
Jokes aside, what is this?
What is?
Oh, don't put that on camera. Don't put that on.
No, it's alright, man. You're learning.
No.
That. Yeah, the same. I'd be
Is
the
it,
same
was
as
it called
well.
air?
Yeah, that connects to here. Look. Here. Look.
Yeah, but I don't know.
Yeah, look, air in it. Air goes in.
So it's just cooling the engine down, basically.
No, it's just getting air to the air filter. Because you haven't seen this air filter here.
Oh, does it connect?
This air filter connects to here.
That makes sense.
Doesn't connect. It just like lets air in.
So it cools it down in it, basically.
Yeah, so
It's
just lets
cold
fresh air in. Yeah,
Cold air,
fresh
yeah.
So that connects to there. So this, yeah, upside down like that. Put that pipe into here. Then this pipe goes to here. But before you put that on, see that? Hold on. Hold on. You want to know what plug is? Hold on. This plug here clips into there. Yeah.
Was it off?
It's on. It's just dark, so it saves battery. So that plugs on there. So you grab that here, plug that into there, then this pipe goes onto there.
Where's this going?
That fits into here.
You're stressing for, man.
I'm teaching you.
Bro, I should be teaching you.
You know this guy.
There you go, bro. There you go. Look at that, bro. Wait, this goes all the way on.
What?
Is that it?
Does this go all the way
Yeah.
over? Yeah, this black bit has to connect to that black bit.
So this needs to get loosened, innit? Or is that?
No, I'm joking. That's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah, but hold on. Look, see what you've done here. You've got this pipe under.
Where it needs
So
to
what
be.
we need to do is push that there, twist it slightly there. Just so enough so we can get this pipe on. So squeeze that pipe on. This one.
This one.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's on. I'll get you
So is this
screwdriver.
MVQ level 1 or what?
This is MVQ entry 1.
Entry 1.
Yeah.
So we're loosening this.
Tightening it. Hold
Tightening.
on. Let me squeeze this at the same time for you. Yeah. So I'll hold that together. You tighten it. Slowly. Look here. Oh, you know when you go over tight, see that it starts bending. So these you don't.
You don't
You don't
tighten
use
it.
100 pounds of foot pounds of force. You just literally like that. That is it. Because the purpose of this, I've seen it now. It started going bent.
Yeah.
If you did that anymore,
Yeah.
that would have slipped out, and then you would have slipped out the things. So literally until it's straight, that's all you have to do it. Just so it's straight like that. So you hold that there with one hand. Other hand. Use your other hand. Use your other hand. That is it. Because it's not a boost pipe. This is like vacuum going in. So that you don't over tighten these. We know you got a lot of power in your...
Obviously the Honda talking it.
Yeah, the Honda talk. It's time to take these off now. I think they've been on long enough. goodbye. You look better with them teeth on. You think so? But it's a bit childish. It might scare too many people. Okay, we put everything back on. I just like double checking. No more plugs and all that. So what happens is you leave one plug off, it starts juddering. So yeah, everything looks sweet. That's it, something for you. Take it off on the drive, make sure it's alright. We'll be back in a minute. Right guys, so we're now in the Subaru. We thought we'll give it a little blip, see if you can hear the boost leak. We've let it warmed up and everything, see if it's making pressure. Oh no, we've got a problem. We can hear boost leak already. It's making boost but not enough boost. Yeah, so all that was for nothing. Not really, because we did find a problem, but it wasn't the problem. So back to the drawing board. Might have to get someone to smoke test it. But the funny thing is, it still makes small amount of boost, but not the full red lights. Yeah, so it is still making boost. It's making 1 bar of pressure. It previously used to run 1.2, and as soon as it gets to like 0.7, 0.8, you can hear like a gasp of air. So I'm hoping it is a pipe and not the turbo. I hope the turbo's okay. Right, see if you can hear the air gushing out yet or not. Yeah. Yeah, it's leaking too much air. You can hear it, man. It's leaking way too much air. So we're gonna end the video here. If you guys have any suggestions, by all means, let me know. If you think what it could be, because I've checked over all the pipes I could get to. I've checked all the boost pipes. All the clips look fine. I've even checked the little vacuum pipes. They all look fine. I'm hoping it's not the turbo, because sometimes I don't know if it can leak through the turbo and cause it to surge. No idea. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and follow this journey with me. See you in the next one.